We've got some shocking statistics to share. Hi, this is Jason Daniels with Finch & Gable Real Estate Company, and I'm actually shocked with what's going on here in the market. We're hearing a lot of things nationwide with jobs. We're seeing job growth kind of drop a little bit. There's companies laying people off. I believe we're kind of in the middle of a recession. People's savings are dropping, interest rates are still kind of going up, but really here in Colorado Springs and along the Front Range, it's still good news for real estate. So in the month of February, there were 778 sales, which is down 23% from last year when the market was super hot. So we're still seeing a good number of sales. The average sales price dropped just a little bit, about 2.8%. It dropped from 514, almost 515 to just above 500. So we're still holding pretty strong on the average sales price. But what's interesting is we've seen a 5.4% drop in the median sales price, which in that median sales price, the majority of the homes that sold in February were between $350,000 and $450,000. So we're all talking about housing affordability. We're seeing a lot of movement in that category, and there's a lot of sales there. So that's good as long as we can keep interest rates down, and hopefully they come on the downtrend. So total active homes in the month of February, 1,443. Now that's almost a 200% increase from last year, but last year we had a real anemic inventory. People couldn't list their homes fast enough. So the interesting thing that I pulled from this is with the 778 sales and the 1,443 homes, 54% of all the inventory in the month of February sold in the month of February. So 54% is selling every month based on the last couple months, plus or minus a few percent. That's a healthy market. Right now there is about a 2-month supply, and the National Association of Realtors, the stat still remains true. Somewhere between 4 to 6 months of inventory is considered a balanced market. Here in Colorado Springs, I would say probably a 3-month inventory is a little more balanced. So we're still seeing it's a little bit slightly balanced, leaning towards the seller, but buyers are still getting in at homes at a price point under the average sales price. Again, the biggest segment that was being sold in the month of February was between $350 and $450. So it's, again, really good news for affordability. The good news also is prices haven't really come down a bunch. We're going to see things kind of iron out because we're comparing statistics from last year when the market was hot. The market shifted in about May or June of last year, so it'll be interesting. So keep watching these videos as we move forward into the summer. We'll see if we're having any growth year over year. Once we hit about July, August, those are going to be some really good statistics to see where we're at. But the market is holding strong. Now, a couple of key things about selling your home if you're wanting to get it sold and be one of the 54% of the homes that it sells is you need to price your home properly, and it needs to be presented, staged or clean, in very good condition. Those homes are still selling pretty quick. In fact, the average, if we look between, all the homes under $1 million that have sold, the average days on market is 56 days. But when we take a look into that category of 350 to 450, 350 to 400 is 24 days on the market. 400 to 450 is 37 days on the market. And then even once you bump up even more than that, we're getting closer to 45 or 50. So that's really healthy market. It's more balanced for buyers and sellers. But what I have seen, this is what's shocking, here at Finch & Gable, we've sold several homes already this year where we've had multiple offers and buyers bidding up the price. And there's an interesting dichotomy where we're seeing if sellers choose to price their homes over the market value, even by $5,000, their homes are sitting on the market. So we're working with sellers that wanted to maybe price it a little higher. We're adjusting those prices, and those homes are selling once we hit the right price. So buyers are really sensitive right now. If you overprice your home by just $5,000 to $10,000, then buyers may not even want to bring an offer. So if you have any questions on selling your home, reach out to us. Of course, if you're looking to buy, now's still a good time to buy. The interest rates are right around 6.5% to about 7% today. I spoke with a lender yesterday, and they've gotten some information that we believe interest rates will probably stay there for another month or two, and maybe drop a little bit by May, depending on you know, the economy, inflation, job reports, all the things that kind of dictate rates. So keep watching these videos. If you have any questions on how we can help you, if you're looking to buy or sell a home, now's a great time to sell a home for sure. And if you want to find a home, there's a lot of inventory as a buyer. So thanks for watching and stay in touch.